Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Here is my friend's 2010 Tacoma, and this video will be about the taillights. And why? You might say why you are filming this? Well, listen the story. Have a seat, grab a popcorn and listen to the story. So you can see these are the aftermarkets, right? What happened here? This is the original from the passenger side, so you don't see the damage. Oh yeah, it's right here. So on the driver's side, somebody backed into him, right? This is a factory driver's side. Here is the passenger side. And we just replaced them, but it wasn't easy. He went for the aftermarket company, which is Pro Tuning Lab, and they send him these. So if you see this online for 2010 Tacoma, this doesn't work. Now why it doesn't work? He was here already once and today we did it right. So these pins, especially this one, it's way too deep. It's buried inside, so it's barely sticking. When you start pushing this taillight into place, the pin cannot reach all the way in, even when we try to unscrew it to make it taller, right? There is some kind of thread, so we played with it last time when he came, but all of that didn't help. This taillight couldn't have been installed. Now why I said the Pro Tuning Lab? Well, apparently Pro Tuning Lab doesn't want to stand behind the product and they refused to take it back, despite the fact I guarantee you that it couldn't be installed, right? So Michael contacted different company, and these people are Onyx Enterprises, right? And the Onyx Enterprises send these. These are perfect fit. I love it. Both of them are already tested. All the blinkers, brake. Oh, we didn't check the reverse yet, but everything works perfectly. Very perfect fit. If you follow the gap between the body and the light, it's basically identical fit as a factory. So we are sharing this with you, right? So you don't make the same mistake in the case you are replacing taillights on the 2010 Tacoma. And it was little tech for you today on Toyota Maintenance channel. I hope you find it helpful and interesting, and be subscribed because I will keep making a lot of videos for you here. Thanks for watching and have a great day, my friend.